It's already prepaid. Hahanap kami ng doon. Good morning! Officially day 1 here in Taiwan. And we're going to Nature Garden, guys. Okay, so let's go. This is our breakfast while waiting for that train going to Chiang. Okay, anyway guys, nandito na kami ngayon. University kung saan sinuting yung garden. From Simending, almost 2 hours biyahe. Inside the library. Break time muna kami guys. Mamaya magpapapicture kami na Carnit. Chan Chan. Chan Chan. Chan Chan cookie. Going back to Simending. Better. Day 2 in Thailand. Taiwan. Buy some coffee. 7 a.m. today. 7 a.m. Okay, so we'll go to 7-Eleven to buy something, guys. Join us. Day 2 in Taiwan. And we're here right now. Fine Arts Museum. Sayang, pupunta sana kami dun sa Gondola and Taiwan Zoo. But unfortunately, it is closed today. So, yeah. Dito na lang kami. Thank you. Here now inside the Fine Arts. Enjoy the view, guys. Sa parang don't know kung ano yun, basta reflection mo, and then yes, it's really nice. So may mga photos kami and videos. So okay lang. Second and third floor. So this fine art. So karamihan lang naman yung is kung ano yung makikita niyo sa video namin. And then last na another museum, which is the Taipei National Museum. So same outfit. And yeah, see you there. We're in Taiwan. Sobrang lakas, parang may Baguio Beach.
Hello, Philippines.
May ulan, guys. So we are here at NTU station. So sa labas lang. And meron sila park or something. Alright, we're here at the National Taiwan Museum. Sarado na pala, alas 5 na. So, uwi na tayo, B.
Yung mga pwede
Yun,
ka
so
magpunta doon na yung temple truck by tayo.
Picture na lang tayo.
Doon ako pupunta sa may temple.
Wala na pala dito.
And, Yeah.
No.
And we're here now at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. But yeah, so tourist spot lang siya for taking pictures and all. Wow. Here at the Memorial Hall with all the pictures and all guys. So, papunta na kami where sa Taipei 101. Let's go! Alright, we're here at Taipei 101 guys. So, we'll be... okay. Ito yung ano, may tugtog oh. Yung sa video. Yan. Set it up. Okay guys, so since full house, simple coffee, hindi kami makag-dine doon. So dito kami sa street kung saan trending din, which is ayan, yung Taipei 101. So medyo madami lang tao. So ayun, this is the end of our day 2. Bye. Limutan ko pala guys, pabili kami nito and then Xiaolong Bao. So combo, that's 200 NTD.